Dempsey Harp on the farm. Dempsey, most normal people buy charcoal. Some bitch got a guy on a fucking diesel, and instead of charcoal, they're going to cows. Instead of charcoal, this is what we got, a bunch of fucking feed troughs all busted up. And he's swearing to Jesus Christ they're made out of oak. Okay. Oak-flavored lead barbecue. Sounds good. What do you think, Stace?
Yeah.
You cold, baby? Love you.
Get so close.
I don't.
Let me get a close-up of you, babe.
Yes, I'm ugly,
This is going to be cool. Here's the lighter. Wait, let me light it. Here, guys.
Redneck Barbecue 2000. I don't know how we're going to cook meat on it, but that son bitch will catch fire. Huh? It's windy, Dempsey.
Get that diesel burning.
Get that diesel burning, you shell bitch.
I always say that.
It's gonna blow. Glad I ain't a smoker. I eat damn pistol.
It's windy.
Yeah, don't bite my
God, babe.
I ain't blocking shit. Maybe cock blocking if my it's good looking shit. Ow, why you slap me? Yeah. Most people buy charcoal with this son bitch swears them nails right there gonna taste good as our barbecue. There goes fire.
Don't put it out.
Oh, man.
Get that diesel hot.
Oh, shit. They got fire on the farm. Fire on the farm! Call fucking church department. Oh, fuck. God damn, it's cold. It's like fucking freezing.
They said it was like 40
there it goes. I guess we are having barbecue.